Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in MNIT MNIT Jaipur. They also have given notification for MTech full-time sponsored and part-time sponsored, and M-Plan full-time sponsored and part-time sponsored for our semester 2024-25. This is the important dates. Online application started from 10th of April and last date will be 29th of April 2024. Provisional list of shortlisted and eligible candidates for written test and interview will be published on website 10th May. Written test will be on 28th and 29 May, and next you can check this final result will be on 4th of June 2024. Here they have mentioned PhD entrance test is exempted for the students who have cleared national level examination like UGC NET, JRF, CSIR, JRF, DST, Inspire, and can sustain their PhD from external scholarship or assistantship. However, such candidate will be required to appear for interview if shortlisted. Here they have given, if you have the national level examination score like UGC NET, JRF, CSIR, JRF, or DST Inspire, then you can directly attend for interview, and in this category this comes under external scholarship or assistantship category, because if you have qualified UGC NET, then UGC will provide you fellowship, and if you have qualified CSIR, JRF, or DST Inspire, then respective organization will provide you that fellowship. No separate interview letter will be issued. The mode of written test and interview will be offline. Written test and interview will be offline. So this is you should take care about that. Details schedule till now they have not given, but they will intimate you before 1 week. They have mentioned 1 week before examination. Regarding different category, there are 3 category: full-time, part-time, off-campus. Off-campus for beyond 70 kilometer. This is for 70. If you are residing within 70 kilometer, then you can apply under this category. And for full-time there are also various category. First one, full-time with institute assistantship, in which you will get fellowship from Ministry of Education. Then full-time with on a scholarship. On a scholarship means if you have qualified UGC NET, CSIR NET, then this comes under on a scholarship. Full-time sponsored, any company will sponsor you. Means if you are working from last 2 or 3 years in any reputed organization or company or PhD or research organization labs, then they will sponsor you for doing PhD. And fourth one, full-time PhD scheme. In part-time candidate working within 70 kilometer of Jaipur, they have mentioned. Second, institute project staff means any faculty or any technical assistant like people, if they are working there, then they can apply for PhD. Institute project staff will come under technical staff. Institute faculty, they have mentioned institute faculty. This one, if anyone working as faculty with their MTech degree, then they can apply. Institute staff, no, institute project staff means anyone working as JRF, SRF, then that comes under institute project staff. Institute faculty means working as assistant professor with their MTech degree. Institute staff like technical assistant type people, executive personnel, maybe some staff will come. Part-time is very a PhD scheme also there. Now you can they are inviting application for different departments. You can see here different which departments you can apply, that is given here. You can apply for architecture, planning, civil, chemical, computer, electrical, electronics, communication, mechanical, metallurgy and material, energy, environment. Then in science you can go for physics, chemistry, mathematics, management, humanity and social sciences. Then some interdisciplinary, National Center for Disaster Mitigation and Management and Material Research Center. So you can apply for this much department. So in which departments you have your masters, BTech, then that will be better to go for because it will not create any problem in future. But if the departments will be changed, then you may get face a problem. Like for material science people, it comes like me. Next, eligibility. You can check eligibility for admission. This is for 4.1. Admission to PhD program is made in both regular semester. However, admission to MTech, MPlan are made in semester commencing in July. Means they are telling that for PhD program they are not given notification in both semester, like for January session and for July session, but MTech, MSc, MPlan, MBA are only given notification in July. Regarding eligibility, selection process they have given, they will take written test and interview. First written test, then they will give one result of shortlisting. After that they will take this interview. A written test will be comprised of two sections. Section A will test research aptitude of candidate, and section B which will test the subject knowledge in which you are in which department you are applying. From that they are asking questions. Individual set will have separate cutoff score, like a candidate is required to score a minimum of 35% in part A and part B. Format sample question for part A and B and sample pair will be made available on institute website in due course. MTech, MPlan, this will not required. They have given both in same browser, so that's not required. Yeah, now we check eligibility. What are the eligibility you can apply? You can see here, if you have your master's degree in ME, MTech or M Architecture Plan with CGPA not below 6.5 or in point scale 60% marks, then you can apply. In exceptional cases, brilliant candidate graduated from CFTI and other institution whose NIRF ranking is within 100 with CGPA more than 8 or 75% marks in BE or BR, B plan may be recommended by DPGC to SPGB for admission to PhD program. Such candidate having sufficient experience in relevant area and publication in referred journal as notified by DPGC may also be considered. For humanity and social sciences, same 6.5 or 60% marks. PhD in management 60% marks and 6.5 CGPA. So if you have this much CGPA or percentage, then you can apply. For PhD in science, same 6.5 and 60% marks. So like this you can now regarding seats, they have given this matrix: full-time with scholarship, full-time with honor scholarship, full-time sponsored. Every category have vacancies. Of campus beyond 70 km from Jaipur sponsored PT, they also have vacancies. Part-time also have vacancies. Project staff, then faculty, staff, executive personnel. Every category have vacancy. Along with that, some extra things they have given. Means what you will get, that thing they have mentioned. Means some category, in some category exam will be taken, written will be taken. In some category written will not taken. For interview will be taken for every category. Then institute scholarship will get only in full time with a scholarship category, and get net requirement is given only for only it required for full time with a scholarship and full time with on a scholarship. National level test require only these two. They have mentioned GATE, UGC NET, national level exam only. This two category only will get. Now eligibility requirement for PhD admission category executive and personal. Means anyone working in following organization will be considered as PhD admission category executive and personal. Either they are working in government organization or laboratory or PSU or reputed company, that is company having annual turnover of 100 crores or more. Candidates should have following educational qualification and experience: postgraduate degree with at least 12 years of experience, BTech degree with at least 15-year experience. Candidates should have demonstrated research potential through his research paper in reputed journal. If they have papers, then they will prefer you. Course credit requirement would be as per current practice for part-time candidate. Minimum residency requirement will be for 1 semester. All other conditions will be set as per PG rules and admission of NIT Jaipur. Other category have some extra criteria, that thing you have to fulfill. Now eligibility they have given. Here they have given the students who are admitted to MTech M-Plan program with GATE scholarship at MNIT Jaipur. Means if anyone already admitted to MTech or M-Plan program with GATE scholarship with CGPA greater than 8, up to second semester of MTech or M-Plan program, the program would be open for only full time MTech and M-Plan student admitted with GATE score. Candidates should not have any backlog in any of the registered courses for MTech and M-Plan. Means anyone already doing MTech or M-Plan, then directly apply for PhD program, provided that they have CGPA 8 and they don't have any backlog. They can convert themselves into MTech or M-Plan plus PhD dual degree program of concerned academic unit where they have registered for MTech program. The student will be given an option to register for MPDD program anytime after declaration of second semester result. Means this can be done after second semester result publication. They have mentioned this. If your MTech second semester will be completed, then you can apply for this dual degree program. Minimum CGPA for PhD candidacy is 7.5 and above, and for the courses registered after admission to MPDD program. For this category, the willing candidate must apply to institute for MPDD program through regular PhD admission process every semester. Admission is not a right, but is subjected to successful interview and availability of funded scholarship position. Means they will not confirm you that they will give you a seat, but it will be subjected after interview. Candidate must appear for PI in front of departmental selection committee during routine PhD admission. No written test would be conducted for the candidate appearing for this program. This is plus point for them, that they will not take any written test. Total duration of MPDD program will be minimum 4 and maximum 7 years from the date of MTech or M-Plan admission at the institute. Program assistantship, the candidate becomes eligible for scholarship for regular PhD scholars. However, for scholars admitted through MPDD program, MTech M-Plan assistantship would continue till successful clearing of their comprehensive examination. So this thing you have to clear first, then you can This is for MTech plus PhD, MTech plus PhD and implant plus PhD. What are the course requirement you have to fulfill? They have given for both MTech and implant. Everything you have to clear. Financial assistantship 37,000 plus 16% HRA for first 2 years and 42,000 plus 16% HRA for next 3 years. Means if you will not get any hostels, then get a score will be mandatory for admission to PhD program with institute assistantship. Means if you are applying for get a full-time student with a scholarship, then get a score will be required. Within GATE score should have occurred either within past 3 years of the candidate should have completed respective master degree with valid GATE score. The admission to PhD program with institute assistantship in Department of Management Study UGC CSIR NET will be mandatory. In Humanity and Social Sciences, same GATE UGC NET CSIR NET will be mandatory. Visvaria PhD schemes also have some separate criteria, and it is for computer science and EC departments, electrical departments. There you will get some enhanced fellowship, like for first and second year you will get 38,750 for first and second year, and 43,700 for third, fourth and fifth year. So these all the minimum educational qualification what are for architecture and planning, but this discipline you required, everything they have mentioned. It's not possible to mention each and everything in the video because it's already too long. The tentative areas of research and faculty members, everything they have given. You can select faculty according to your research areas. So apply here. If you are residing nearby Jaipur, then it will be good for you. Otherwise you can take option of some other NIT or IIT also. So that's all about today's update. If you are visiting my channel first time, then subscribe it. Thank you.